My first time was in 2016, so almost 10 years ago, and I immediately fell in love with the mountains, with this magical fog that appears after the rain. So I've now been 8 times to Huangshan. I always come back to try to find different composition, different lights, trying to catch the fog, which not always happen. So I've been to during winter, summer, spring, and the fall. But one thing that hasn't changed is the beauty of the mountain. This place is one of my favorite spots in Huangshan, because you see the trees, you see the different shapes of the mountains that are very typical of these traditional Chinese paintings. One aspect that has really improved is the transportation. So it's now easier to come, especially from the train station, with all of the different buses. Service is also improving for a lot of the international tourists. So many people are now speaking English. So the feedback to the exhibition was amazing. People found the photos to be very, very peaceful. They didn't know such place existed, and now they want to go to Huangshan.